Every week starts the same way, logging into dashboards, digging through reports, looking for answers in a sea of data. Hours pass, and you're still piecing together insights, just trying to make sense of what's driving your business. Introducing Microsoft CoPilot in Power BI, the future of data analytics. Imagine an AI assistant that works with you, transforming how you experience data. No digging, no endless searching, just ask, and CoPilot delivers the insights you need instantly. With the power of AI, CoPilot moves you beyond traditional analytics. It alerts you to performance shifts right when they happen, providing context and insights that prepare you to act. Need to coordinate next steps? CoPilot assigns tasks, keeping your team aligned and proactive, all from one centralized place. You can simply chat with your data now, asking questions like, "What's giving us the repeat customers?" or "Why is performance down this month?" And CoPilot delivers answers backed by data, complete with context, trends, and actionable insights. And the best part? CoPilot empowers everyone. From frontline teams to executives, CoPilot provides each person with the data insights they need to make smart, confident choice. At Data Semantics, we've spent 15 years perfecting the art of analytic and automation implementation for growing enterprises. As a trusted Microsoft partner, we deliver CoPilot as a customized strategic asset built to scale with your business. Our implementation integrates CoPilot perfectly with your workflows, delivering powerful insights exactly when you need them. With expert training and dedicated support, we enable smarter decisions from day one. With CoPilot and Power BI, powered by Data Semantics, your team can access insights instantly, make informed decisions seamlessly, and focus on driving what matters most, growth. Ready to elevate what's possible with your data? Connect with Data Semantics and experience new levels of performance and growth with CoPilot in Power BI.